if you have been wondering how to show your phone on the other side of your video, how to show your screen or how to share your screen while you are teaching something or showing somebody something, right? What you are saying will be showing beside you, right? Just like the ones I always do my tutorials, I'll be showing my screen in front of the camera so that you can be able to see what I'm doing and learn. So this is me showing you how to display your screen beside your videos and on your tutorial. If you want to teach or show somebody something and you still want your screen to be showing, like displaying in the camera, just like the way I always do in my tutorials. For example, like this now, I'm scrolling through my phone and it's showing beside me right now. You can see what I'm pressing right now, right? That is what I'll be showing you in this particular video. First thing first, you have to have a screen recorder in your phone. I don't know if you know what is screen recording. Something that, for example, if you are showing somebody something, you record it and after that you send to the person in your phone, right? You recorded what you are showing the person and send. If you don't know what is screen recorder, let me show you how it looks and how to get it. If you are using Android, you can download it. If you are using App Store, still yet, even with your laptop, everything, you can use OBS Studio, right? You can do it using anything at all, okay? So simply go to Play Store, tap on search and search screen recorder. Want to type screen, it always shows screen recorder, right? So this is it right here. There are lots of them, so you can even download one, check it out. If it's not giving you what you want, you try another one, right? But I'll show you how I do mine, okay? Both on app. Okay, for this one right now, I'll show you the one I have in my, okay, this is the one I have right here, as you can see, installed. So that sometimes the inbuilt one in my phone can misbehave, so I'll just use this one and record my screen. And also in my other Android phone, I have this screen recorder unlimited and I think it's working, though I don't use it much, but it's okay. So you can explore this thing. And in my iPhone, I also have another different one. So these things are good, right? Most of them are good. So just download any one and explore it. Of course, I will use one for example so that I'll show you how it looks. So if I want to record mine, first thing, I have the inbuilt one that is recording this thing that I'm saying now, okay? I have the inbuilt one. So I'll just scroll down this way. This is it here, screen recording. I'll just tap on it. Mine is on right now. I'll just tap on it and it will start recording, okay? So this is it here. If you don't have it here, that means you don't have it, or you can, I don't think you have it, because if you have it, it will show here, or you can just go to your settings if you know how to go around your phone and see if it's somewhere there hidden. I don't think it will be hidden. Some phones don't have it. This is Android. My iPhone do not have it. Some Android do not have it, but thankfully this one has it, right? So if you don't have it, no problem, you can simply download it. So let's go to the one that I have. Okay, this is the screen recorder, right? Be patient. Tap on this video icon right here. Okay, never mind. So right now, start recording. So this is right now, it's recording everything that we are doing. If you go this way, everything, it will record. And when you are done, come here and tap on this. It will stop, okay? It will stop recording. So this is your video right here. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open up and show what you are doing in front of your screen. So this is it, okay? If you want it to record what you are saying, add audio. If not, it's fine. This is it right here with audio, okay? This is with audio right here. So whatever I'm saying now, you'll be hearing it here. So after that, how do you add it to what you are saying? Go to your editing app. This is where the work is, okay? Let's use this, for example, this particular image right now. You have to move your own tutorial video. You'll be recording yourself. You have two phones for this tutorial. You need two phones. One will be the one you are using to record yourself. For example, you are seeing me, I'm looking at the camera right now. So you need two phones to achieve this. One that will be screen recording with, just like I'm doing now, Okay, just like I'm screen recording what I'm saying, the screen that I'm sharing. And this one right here is recording me. As you can see, you are seeing me right now. Another phone is here recording me. So now after recording, all you need to do is to click on overlay, add overlay, and import the screen recorded video. There's little work here. In fact, not little work, there's work here. Okay, so first of all, you size the video how you want it to be. If you want it to be bigger, if you want it to be smaller, you size it here. Okay, once you size it here, now move it to where you want it to start. If you started sharing your screen something like this, you just place it here, it will start. And now you have to make the voice to be heard. Okay, you have to turn on the audio so that you'll be making it sync with the one you are saying right now. Okay, so all you need to do is to go this way, edit it. Whenever you make mistakes, you click on your own video, tap on split, click on the recorded video at the same time and tap on split. Go to the part where you want to delete, tap on another split and still tap on this particular split, so that anything that you delete in the first one, make sure to split them this way before you start deleting. I always start deleting from the one that I'm recorded, the screen recorded one that I'm sharing the screen, because when you delete this one right here, it will be this way, it will be separate, like there will be space. But when you delete from here first, if there is a long something, like you deleted a long, maybe you are saying something, right, and you don't want that part to show on the screen recorded thing, or you made a long mistake that you want to delete out, if you just, like for example, if this particular one is here, and if you delete this one, the one you recorded now, if you delete it, it will just go back, right? It will just close up. If you just delete this one now, it will, as you can see, it just closed up. But if you first delete the recorded one, it will be here. Okay, then you adjust it before you delete the other one. I don't know if you are getting me. First delete, after splitting the two, make sure when you split the first one, which is yourself explaining something, also split the second one immediately. When you get to the exact point where you have to split again to delete it, split the second one too. Okay, then first delete the screen recorded one. Okay, after splitting the both clips, now let's go back. Okay, so just like this one right now, I have split this one, I can delete it, and I have split this one too. I'll first delete this one, the screen recorded one, and bring it back here. Okay, because if you split it, it will not close up, it will just give that space. But you can use your hand now and bring it back, and then click on this one, click on this your own, and delete it, because this one closes up by itself. It will close up the clip, but the screen recorded one doesn't do that. So you have more options to close it back, and this is how you keep doing it. Anywhere that you don't want it to show, simply click on it. You said something, you are addressing people, and you don't want to share your camera, right? You don't want to share the screen, so all you need to do is to go to that part you don't want and delete it. Then this part, click on it. So make sure to always click on the two at the same time. Now you can bring this one this way. Okay, so this is it right now. As you can see, you shared your screen here, and if you want to address them, maybe you remember something and you want to say it. After saying it, while editing it, you can just remove that part that's screen recorded and bring yourself this way. After talking, you can now start sharing your screen once again. When you are done aligning the whole clip, right, when you are done editing your whole video, remember to remove the volume of the screen recorded one, right? You have to go from the beginning and remove the volume, leaving only the one that you are teaching, right? Yes, so when you are done, remove or reduce the volume completely to 0, right? Tap on volume and reduce all of the recorded ones, leaving only this one. When you leave the two clips to talk at the same time, it will ruin your video, right? It will ruin your video. Nobody will hear exactly what you are saying and what exactly you are saying. So you have to remove the volume, right? You have to remove the volume completely, leaving only this one. Then you export your video. So I hope you understood this. This is how to screen record your video. It's not that easy, but it's not hard. Once you get to know it, you have to work, edit it and fix it up. And that is that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of these videos like this, consider subscribing to this channel, and do not forget to like this video, right? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.